Hello everyone, my fellow viewers, or whoever is watching this. For some reason that makes me sad. Okay, so in this video I am playing through this. Don't worry, do not worry. I didn't play through it and it played through it again for this video. This is the first time I played any of these levels. And that's because I'm doing a new style of video. And it's like so long that these videos are so long because of the fails and everything. So I decided just to include video clips of me winning them. So it won't be as hard and it won't be as long. And I hope you guys like it. And I feel like there was something I was going to say. And that's it. Well, see you. Kinda. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, let's see the cutscene. That gives a lot of information. Okay. Let's just go fast because it's like the first level. Or the first few levels. And boom. Do that. And nothing falls. Oh, that did that. Oh, wait. Let's go. Just need to watch this. And boom. Victory. Okay, now we have this, which is intriguing. Oh, I should have waited. Oh, I should have waited. Oh wait, don't think I needed to retry because that's gonna cause a huge explosion and destroy everything. Easy. Watch this. You're close. Shoot! Destroy both of that, and then it should suck all of those materials, and hopefully, oh, come. Okay, that picks down, and it's literally just this. Okay, that was decent. Okay, I am gonna use one of my angry bolts or spell ones. I think you. Yep, I pretty much know. And blast. And wait, it's not gonna. No. If only that was the other way. How am I gonna attack the rest? Oh, that killed that pig, and boom. Nice. Launch and come on. Let's go. I got lucky. Oh, that took a long time. And that exploded. There's one pig left, but look at if you're using oh no. Come on! Yes, just about. We got a cutscene, people. And it's about this new boat. I don't know, I haven't watched many Star Wars. I know the gist of it, I know the main story thing, but I don't know these ones. Kinda. Although I do know the powers in Angry Birds, not in actual movie. Wait, second explode. I thought that would deal damage. Nice! That was amazing. Awesome. Alright, time to do this. Nice, perfect timing. We're also gonna fall on him. Do that. And oh, that KOs him. Okay. And that defeats it. Before that, woohoo! Alright. When I had the TNT, oh wait, probably me. Yeah! Boom! One is down. And then this next one. All those fail. Last but not least. Ouch. Wait, no. What did I say? Ouch. That didn't even hold. Got lucky. Level 10, and it looks a bit complicated. Yeah! Left break. This is well. This one pig left. It's almost a 5-star, but it's not. No. How to do this one? Oh wait. Okay. And now shoot. No, if I can shoot this very weirdly. Whew, that took so long. Okay, that was a pretty fast one. Moving on to the next one. Oh, a new board. Again, you put a step forward. And just a little do that. Okay, I thought it was not. I didn't. Thought it would go a pretty different way. How do I do this? I'm guessing I'm gonna. Okay, before I do the back ones, these front ones, and I fail. Oh, no, 111. Wait, I have 3, so let's just save that one for now. Wait, what? Why is it panning up to the top? Triple split. And one left. Triple split. Let's go. These are pretty fun. This is a pretty fun book to use. Okay. Well, this is kind of obvious to split. And oh no, I thought that was gonna. Wait, that launched. Oh, is that even gonna hit anything? Okay, the TNT hit something, but that one was not great. Oh shit, oh those. Oh, I could just. Oh, okay, I was gonna like, in my next attempt, just do this. And I was going to just like shoot randomly and then. Whoa. Oh, so close. No, if that was just. If you want something done, you gotta attack it yourself. Yeah. Oh. And okay. Oh. No, that one pick left. Okay. Close one. Literally close one. Let's go. That was a super hard one. Yeah. And okay, it's literally just this bottom part, which I don't know if I can get to. And then one final strike, and it explodes. Nice. And okay, you can do that. That's 3-star. Oh no, not 3-star. That's not destroy. Okay, let me destroy this. Okay. Oh. That is destroyed, and this final one. Whew. That took way too long. Hey, boss fight. This is gonna be hard because I can't hit those flying ships that are in the background. You may think that's not part of the boss fight, but that's actually, but it actually is. What am I gonna do? Okay. It's that. And one final one. And will that be at least 2 stars? Because it was not. Oh my. Okay. Woo! Looks like whatever is happening right now. Whew. Revenge of the Poke. Whew. Okay, next episode I'm gonna do this. Hopefully I can get some levels. I mean, I have 80 stars. Coins. You know what? Why not? I probably will be using these anyways. Should I do a sneaky peeky? I think I'm gonna do a sneak peek. So this is like the pig's revenge, no, not revenge, version of. Wait, what? Okay. That's like a boss level, pretty much. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like the style of the video. I mainly did it just because it's like won't take as long. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.